Hi, my name's Danny, and I'm from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to show you how to use and maintain a bench grinder. I'm going to talk about storage now, storing the bench grinders. If they are not stationary or bolted down to a table or on a bench grinder stand, you just want to close these things up. Just unplug it. You just want to wrap the cords up. Just wrap the cord up and store it in a good place, on a shelf or somewhere that you have a home for your bench grinder. So if you just want to set it right here or something on the table, just anywhere, just set it. And if you have them on a stationary spot, just unplug the cord if you're not using it for safety reasons, of course. And that's how you store your bench grinder.